Today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing chocolatey treats that are called whoopie pies. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, that's Aaliyah, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Today I wanted to show you a really fun and easy treats that they're just magnificent and kids will love them, but so will adults. And you can make them in many different flavors, but today we're going to make chocolate whoopie pies. As always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. All-purpose flour, salted butter that is softened, cocoa powder, granulated sugar, milk, baking soda and salt, and what's this, Aaliyah? 1 egg. Alright, so go ahead and put your butter and sugar in a stand mixer. You can do this by hand. Oh, hold on. Woo. Good job. We'll do that in a second.
Okay.
You can do this by hand, but it's just faster in a stand mixer. Just give that a quick mix. You want that to combine a little bit before you add your egg. So next, go ahead and add your egg. Can you do this one? Good job. And put that in and just mix that till it's combined. Yeah? Okay, so just combine your dry ingredients really fast. You don't really have to stir them. You just want them all in the same container. You put this one in there.
Oh, nice.
So now stir your dry ingredients and your milk into your other mixture alternately. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl. Make sure everything's mixing really well. Start and end with your dry ingredients and keep it on low speed. So just turn it on low. Oh, Mama's gonna do this part. This is a mess. Give your mixer a quick scrape down and then kick it up to about medium speed just for 30 seconds or so to make sure everything is really well combined. But you don't want to overmix it because you don't want tough, chewy whoopie pies. So just 30 seconds. Now you want to scoop this out onto your baking sheets. Either line them with parchment paper, or if you have a Silpat, these things will work great. And you can either use 2 spoons to scoop this out, or if you have a little cookie or an ice cream scoop, depending on how big you want your whoopie pies, that's what size you would use. Yeah, and just give them plenty of space in between because they will spread out. Okay, so bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until they spring back when lightly pressed. If you make them smaller, bake them for less time. Start with 7 to 10 minutes on that one. Okay, so now it's time to make the filling for the whoopie pies. These have cooled completely. You don't want them warm at all because if they're warm at all, you'll melt your filling and you'll just have a big gooey mess. So cool them completely, and now, like I said, the recipe will be in the description below, but you'll need some softened salted butter, powdered sugar, marshmallow fluff, and if you have vanilla, use that too. This is just one whoopie pie filling. Another great one is cream cheese frosting. There are so many. Start with putting your butter in your stand mixer and just kind of whip it until it's very, just like about a minute. Now scrape down your mixing bowl, and while the mixer is on low speed, go ahead and add your powdered sugar. Now go ahead and add in your marshmallow fluff. Make sure and mix it really well, and then your filling is done. Alright, so now it's time to fill your whoopie pies. You can really fill these as much as you want, and you can make as much filling as you would prefer. This is very sweet, so I don't put too much in my whoopie pies. But
Pie.
just a little scoop.
You.
Little scoop.
Too much, honey.
All right, there you go. There are some beautiful whoopie pies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, you might also like this other chocolate treat, this chocolate raspberry cake I made right here. It's fabulous. Go check it out. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment, let us know what you thought, and share it with all of your friends. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Have a great day.